Blin. We're approaching Royal Atenea where we're doing the project. Been here since 2018 and we're almost finished now.
So I am on my way to Valletta, our capital city, where Mario the engineer that's where he's located. I'm going to Mario to pick up the shaft and the steering gland for Red Current sailing boat, sailing yacht Red Current. Red Current is a southerly 31 foot, 9.5 meter, swing keel, sloop rig, nice little boat. The boat we own it with my cousin Julian. We own the boat for about 6 years now. Around 6 years, I believe so. 6-7 years. But the past 3 years, she's been on the hard. We had it 3 years, I believe, in the water, and now she's been 3 years on the hard due to osmosis problem. The boat was heavily osmosed, so, and it's a long story which will go into that in the future. And basically the project, after 3 years in the yard doing the work on it and getting it ready, now she's ready to be treated for the osmosis, for the barrier coat. She's almost completely dry. You will see in the videos, there was another one we managed to save this boat. And besides that, we want to convert, we're actually converting Red Current into fully electric. Electric projects, I've been dreaming about this electric systems on boats and doing research and studying for the past 15 years now, maybe even more. And finally, hopefully, this will be my first fully electric sailing boat, the small one, which will be using Red Current as also as testing to see if it will be possible to convert sailing yacht Royal Atenea into fully electric. Now we have just arrived in Valletta at Mario's place. Tomorrow we'll be spending the whole day working on Red Current. Okay guys, I'll take you inside so you can have a look. So here I have the shaft of the rudder of Red Current, and I need the rope cutter as well. There's all the valves, needs to be serviced and cleaned. Here we're at the shop, very old building in Valletta. Let's go inside. There's Mario. So we picked up the propeller. Oh, it's getting dark now. So actually better secure it. Oops, there it is, needs a clean. I left the rest of the stuff at Mario's. Next week I will come and pick up the rest. Also passed quickly at the bakery. Some fresh bread is still hot. And this is the Maltese Tira, which I'm going to show you. That's the Maltese Tira. It's still warm. Just came out from the oven. So just left from Mario. Gonna head back to the garage in Sweden. Like I was explaining earlier, Royal Atenea now have decided, we're trying to make a plan, which is still not easy, to finish this hole we have at the back now that we are fixing, the aft section of the keel. From the shaft tube down. Get her ready to go in the water, which there's still a lot of work to be done. We have to put in the gearbox, service the engine, paint the engine room, get the windlass running, get some batteries and electrics and wire everything. We'd love to have the boat raster rigged as well. Install a bilge system on the boat. I would like to have the main bilge system from the engine room running. Plus I will have a DC bilge pump system in each compartment, from forward to aft. Crash pump on board as well, and get her, you know, a bit ready for a generator that works, hopefully. Get her ready for the water. A lot of painting to be finished as well. Once she's in the water, we can have a break and put her on the mooring. We have a mooring in Malta here that doesn't cost a lot of money, and we have a break. We have a break, see the situation, try to get settled with some cash as well, because both me and Daniel very low cash at the moment, since also my boat business has been on hold for a long time now, and we don't know for how long it's gonna keep going. The business sale didn't go through. There were some problems there as well at the very last moment, which did give us a big slap in the face. But we never give up. We continue how we can. We try our best, making the good decisions, because it's all about making good decisions, which you learn from a lot of bad decisions you've made, and then you have to. But yes, very nice, these ones. Here another one. So yes, with the boat Royal Atenea, she will go on the buoy, on the mooring, and we try to finish Red Current, this outerly, this project that we have the motor. It's in Malta already, and a lot of work has been done, and the keel is out. Hopefully tomorrow we'll paint the keel from one side, prepare for the keel to go in. As you see at Mario, shaft and propeller, almost everything ready, everything balanced and checked, and new stern gland, cutlass bearing. Gave him also the shaft of the rudder, which he will is gonna check it, and hopefully have a boat next summer, maybe May, June. Maybe I'm dreaming, I don't know. It's a lot of work that we can enjoy. We haven't been sailing for a long time, unfortunately. Been on the water, my other boats, you know, power boats. Haven't been sailing this year, I can't remember. Haven't done any sailing in 2020, I guess. So we'll have a boat, perfect size for the island. Can do a lot of testing, a lot of sailing on this boat, fishing, whatever, you know. Daniel, myself, and Julian, you know, and other friends as well. So we're keen on this. We're keen to have a boat next summer that we can enjoy and sail, you know. And then Royal Atenea, it's still far behind now. It's like not far behind. It's like we own the boat for 3 years, and the plan was when we buy the boat that in 3 years the boat would almost be ready for us to leave. But this has changed almost a few months after we arrived in Malta. We were actually preparing the boat when we got the boat to Malta. That's how we found the damage in the hull. Preparing it like we were thinking to do some charters in the summer here, and in the winter go in the yard and cut the superstructure. But then we found out that, well, you know, the plan has changed. 2.5 years in the yard. Replace almost a quarter of the hull or more, I guess. Right now, have to calculate that as well. You cannot rush Royal Atenea, that's for sure. But soon the major works from the hull is going to be ready, which is good news. Once the hull is ready, propeller in, shaft in, you know, everything new. All the bearings are new. The engine, eventually, we're not gonna keep this engine we have, but she will still go for now, you know, to move her from A to B, from the mooring to the yard or wherever and back. And we'll continue the boat, the project afloat. Well, I think I said too much, no? Red Current, fully electric. Let's go electric. We're all keen. Julian, Daniel, Matthew, we're all keen on this project, you know. It's hard, it's a big challenge with the challenge that we have, but might as well, while in it now like this, let's do it like we really want to do it, and do it once and good, you know. It's gonna be our house, so I want to invest actually in it. It's gonna be my house on the water. I will invest, and Daniel is keen to invest, you know, in our home. It's gonna be our home anyway, so try invest a lot of time and energy and money, you know, but it's worth it, I think. I hope we manage, we achieve. It's a big dreams, they're not easy. Fingers crossed. See you guys.